Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we'll be exploring building construction estimating. Building construction estimating is the determination of probable construction costs of any given project. Many items influence and contribute to the cost of a project. Each item must be analyzed, quantified, and priced because estimate is prepared before the actual construction. Much study and thought must be put into the construction document. Before diving into today's video, if you enjoy my content and you hope to see more of this, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. With all being said, let's get into this video. Before going into today's presentation, let's answer this question together. Is construction estimating an art or a science? Firstly, let's define an art and a science. An art is the process of arranging elements in a manner that affects senses and emotions. It involves imagination and creativity. A science. A science is a systematic approach to gathering knowledge and data based on laws and theories. So therefore, cost estimating involves the calculating of cost as well as visualization of how the project will be built. Therefore, cost estimating is a blend of both art and science. What is cost estimate? An estimate involves calculating the cost of construction work on the basis of probabilities. Also, an estimate is predicting the cost of building with a minimum information such as sketch or very brief information. Why is construction estimation important? 1. Budgeting. Accurate estimation helps in setting a realistic budget for the entire project. It ensures that you have a clear idea of the financial resources needed and prevent unexpected cost overruns. 2. Project viability. It allows you to assess the feasibility of a project before starting construction. It helps in determining if the project aligns with the client's budget and expectations. 3. Resource planning. By understanding the required resources including labor, material, and equipment, you can plan and allocate them effectively throughout the project lifecycle. 4. Competitive bidding. For contractors, precise estimation plays a crucial role in preparing competitive bids. It gives them edge in the market and enhances their chances of winning projects. 5. Risk management. A comprehensive estimation takes into account potential risk and uncertainties, allowing you to develop contingency plans to mitigate adverse effects. 6. Clear communication. Clear and detailed estimates facilitate transparent communication with clients, ensuring they understand the project scope and cost. This is why construction estimation plan needs to be written in a clear and concise manner so as to reap only the benefits but no harm. In construction estimating, two activities are undertaken when carrying out estimates. 1. Measurement. All measurements are approximate. 2. Pricing. The degree of approximation is greater because of the difficulty in predicting all the probabilities of items such as labor productivity and site condition. Purpose of estimate. 1. To determine what materials and in what quantities will be required for the proposed work. 2. An estimate will help in determining amount and kind of equipment needed to complete the work. 3. The estimate of a work and the past experience enable one to estimate quite closely to the length of time required to complete an item of work or the work as a whole. 4. To give the owner a reasonably accurate idea of the cost to help decide whether the work can be undertaken as proposed or needs to be curtailed or abandoned depending upon the availability of funds and prospective direct and indirect benefits. Method of estimating. The methods are basically divided into two. 1. Approximate estimating and accurate estimating. Approximate estimating. Other name for approximate estimate is preliminary or rough estimate. This is made to find out an approximate cost in a short time and thus enable the responsible authority concerned to consider the financial aspect of the scheme for according sanction to the same. Such estimate is prepared adopting different methods for different types of works. During preparation of the estimate, detailed surveying, design, drawings, etc. are not required. This estimate is prepared after preliminary investigation, preliminary survey, and where required subsoil investigations and tests to determine the safe bearing capacity may be conducted. A line sketch of the proposed project according to its requirement may be required. Rates are determined either from practical knowledge or from records for similar work. Approximate estimating is further divided into two categories: preliminary estimate and later stage estimate, and each of these categories are further divided into subcategories. Preliminary estimating: 1. Functional unit method, 2. Floor area or square method, 3. Cubic method, and lastly, story enclosure method. Later stage: 1. Approximate quantities method, 2. Elemental quantities method. In subsequent videos, we will be exploring different methods of preliminary estimating. Until when next, I will be seeing you in another tutorial. You're welcome.